Hello friends, today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of alphabets O, P, Q, R, S, T. This video is specially for moms who are interested to improve their kids' pronunciation and reading skills for KG level. For these reading skills, here I made a word formation to identify the each and every letter sound easily, and they can remember easily also. For that, let us see first one. For O, here I made orange, ostrich. What is the sound of O? O, O. For O sound, orange, ostrich, they can remember easily for KG level. What is the sound of P? Pa, pa. For P sound, here I made pretty penguin. Pa, pa. For Q sound, here I made the word formation quiz, queen. Qua sound, qua, qua. For R, here I made robo, rocket. Ra, ra. For S, swim and slide. Sa. What is the sound of S? Sa, sa. For T, teddy toy. T, t. Let us see how can the KG kid try to read by using these sounds. Let us see. For example, TOP is there. How they can try to read? What is the sound of T? Teddy toy. T, t. What is the sound of O? O. Orange, ostrich. O, O. What is the sound of O? O. For sound of P, pretty penguin. Pa, pa. Ta, o, po. Top they can read. Let us see next one. What is the sound of S? S, S. S. Swim and slide. S. For O, orange, ostrich. O, O. S, O. T. Teddy toy. T. S, O, T. Sort. Okay. By using these words, they can easily remember the sound of each and every letter. Through this, they can improve their reading skills. Thank you, friends.